Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Chevy Camaro SS. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door is in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches here at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I do not see any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler is in good condition. I'm not seeing any wear and tear there at all, and the back bumper is in good condition as well. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks really good. I do not see any scratches or dents here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Okay, and now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. I'm not seeing a dent or scratch on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And first we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Now we're going to have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear here at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.